Rachel here, and so in the chicken coop, little tiny birds keep trying to steal the chicken food, but in order to do so, they have to get past the wires, which are there to protect the chickens from predators. But then they get stuck in the wires, so then when I find them there, I just let them free and then let them go. So yeah, on with the video. Alright, ready to go? Bye! So yeah, he's free. Another bird is stuck, like a few minutes after I just got her out. Yep, she's in here. Hello. Oh, little bird. Oh, don't worry, little bird. I'll try to save you. She's still breathing. Oh, no. I have to put the phone down to save her. Come on. There you go. There. I'm sorry. Oh, that must have been hard and scary. Let's let you go now. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Go. Yay. Bye-bye. And that's less than 1 minute. One birdie free. And another birdie got stuck. Birdie escaped. Great. I keep getting stuck.